All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics. Thank you. Before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all my subscribers, welcome back, and let's jump into this chart. So yesterday's support was broken through, and I had stated the next important support level was this low point here and drop of bear before the rise and the bulls skyrocketing to highs of 1116. Super important number right now in the short term. 1116 needs to be broken through by the bulls so that this can reach newer highs and new resistance levels. But our support now, interesting enough, is that low down here before the run. And the reason why is because it closed off at a low point. The lowest point is the closing off point of 950, and we're going to have to look at that support level for a point of reference. Now, our resistance dropped a little bit with the stock as well, and the 50-day moving average is right now above the closing price, and that's 987. 987 needs to be broken through by the bulls so that this can get back into bullish territory. Right now we're below it and the bears are in control. Now for the bears to continue to bring this one down to newer lows, they're going to want to break through 933. And I want to emphasize how important it is if this stock breaks through 933. And if it does, how is it reacting? What is going on? What is the behavior of the ticker symbol of the stock itself? Put your 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute chart and see how quickly is it moving down to newer lows. The emphasis is there for a reason, and I want to state it to you all, every single viewer and investor, subscriber or not. If you're in this ticker symbol or thinking about this ticker symbol, it's so important to pay close attention to this because that's going to get it deeper into bearish territory, further away from the 50-day moving average in a downward direction. Now, yes, the bulls can reappear, but the bulls don't do anything with reappearing and just breaking through support and not breaking through the 50-day moving average. That's why it's so important to see how is it reacting. Is it slightly hanging out there? Is it tearing through it and bringing it down to newer lows? Because if 933 gets broken through, the next support level is down here at 891. Obviously, you can write that down, but that's not a point that I would wait to make a decision if I'm in it or trying to get out or getting in. It just depends on what your point of view is and your perspective and what angle are you looking this from and where are you trying to position yourself. Now, I can see that this bearish run has been created because of profit taking or uncertainty, because this skyrocketed up to 1116 and quickly after one day it started to fall that it broke even through the 50-day moving average, and the bears right now are dominating it. So 933, my emphasis is there on why it's so important to pay close attention to what's going on and if this is going to hit newer lows and start to break new support levels, pulling away from the 50-day moving average of 987 in a downward direction. Our 50-day moving average is 987, and that's the first point that the bulls need to break through. And if they're able to break through that, their goal is breaking through resistance. That's 1057. So if resistance gets broken through and turned into support, the bulls accomplish breaking through the 50-day moving average, and they accomplish breaking through the resistance level. By breaking through that resistance level, they pull themselves further away from the 50-day moving average in a upward direction, turn it into support, and they can start to work their way up to newer highs. So super important for the bulls to do that, but the bulls will need to break through 1057, turn it into support, and start to work their way up to newer highs. I would also want to emphasize one more time how important the support down here at 933 is for the bears. They need to pay close attention to that and monitor the behavior of the stock. I hope that you guys found this video helpful and informative and it means you well. Share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.